In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the WhatsApp liquid glass effect on iOS 26 if it has stopped working on your device. Many users have reported that this beautiful, transparent interface suddenly disappears or glitches after the latest update. The first thing you need to do is verify that your version of the app is fully compatible with the new system architecture. Open the App Store and check for any pending updates specifically for WhatsApp. If you are already on the latest version and the glass effect is still missing, then we need to look at your system settings. Navigate to your phone settings and head into the accessibility menu. From there, you must select the display and text size options. Look for a setting called Reduce Transparency and make sure it is turned off. If this toggle is active, your phone will disable all blur and liquid glass effects to save battery or improve performance. Once you have toggled that off, perform a hard restart of your device by holding the volume up and side buttons until the logo appears. This clears the temporary cache that often interferes with visual rendering. If the problem persists, try deleting the app and reinstalling it from scratch. This usually forces the liquid glass assets to download correctly. By following these simple steps, you can get that sleek, modern look back on your screen in no time at all and enjoy your chats again.